Hey, what's going on, everyone? Tim here at Millennial Investments. I wanted to take some time to look at a certain stock that I've seen some of our members have some investments in. I wanted to identify some key levels and show some of the price action going into today. Today, we're going to be looking at PLTR and basically how the stock reacted to this morning's open. As you can see, going into today's pre-market session, we had an actual gap up. I expected this to perform, pretty much very well going through the market because the SPY was actually down pre-market, gap down this pre-market about $2 to $3, I believe. So it actually was showing signs of correction though. So we thought the stock, the market overall was going to perform pretty well to the upside. But as you can see, we came into market open and saw some rejections back down to the downside, going below Friday's close and currently being in the red today. So I wanted to take some time to identify some key levels. We discussed this in our coffee and stock sessions during pre-market and what to expect. We already had some levels kind of identified for everybody, but I want to do this again just to make sure everybody is aware of what to look for, support levels, resistance levels moving forward in the stock. I think the stock is a great company. I'm not downplaying it at all. I'm just basically giving people something to reference with dealing with the trade being down this morning, and actually seeing some pullback about midweek last week as well. As you can see, the stock is pretty strong in finding support around these 2290 levels of support, and we expect that to basically be a strong level moving forward. We don't see the stock going below that at all. But one thing that is concerning is that we're having issues with finding support back above the 2962 price levels, going into today's market and coming back from that rebound from last week. So that previous level of support could now become a newfound level of resistance. Well, not newfound, it once was before. As you can see, the stock had issues trading above that before. This could be just a load up zone. I could be wrong. I'm not saying that it's necessarily going to go all the way back down to the 2090, but if there are signs of strong momentum to the downside around the $25 price range, we could definitely see that. Now, $25 rebound support would be great. Load up here, we retest the 2962 and we continue moving forward higher. That is not, I'm not saying that the stock's just going to break out and it's a dead stock, or I don't expect this to quote unquote go to the moon as most people assume, but it is showing signs of a pullback, and to be realistic about it, that's not uncommon with a stock that has performed as well as this one has. I mean, it jumped from let's see, $25 all the way up to $45. It's almost a $20 jump, and 50% of its current stock price at that point. But as you can see, we're seeing some pullback. That's all I'm stating. Look for the best re-entries is all I'm trying to provide you. And look at this compression level around the fact that we haven't found support. I wouldn't use this compression level. I would look more in this area. And this kind of gives me the notion that we will turn sideways in this sideways channel moving forward until we find that strong support to the upside, to allow it to break through its current trend downwards, the downward pressure that we're seeing to break out and find that support above the 2962 and then moving forward to the 3921. I just wanted to take time out of my day to give you my opinion on the stock. As you see, it's not uncommon that we have traded sideways in that channel before, and I think that it's actually leading to doing that once again for some time. Now, how long, I'm not sure. It could have some catalyst, some news breakout, and help push it above that. But as long as we don't break below the 2290, I think you're good long term, depending on your price average, of course, and where you got into the stock. Hopefully you're not up here and the stock's trading down here and you're still holding, thinking that it's just automatically going to jump back up to these $39 levels whatsoever just to make a small profit gain or at least break even. I'm just being realistic with you. I think we're going to churn here sideways moving forward, unless, of course, there's some catalyst. But other than that, thank you for watching. If you think this information was beneficial in any form or fashion, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to show your support, as well as hit the notification bell to receive future daily trade reviews such as this one. I look forward to helping you with more of these analysis, identifying our key levels of support and resistance to kind of help us play the trade and understand our future outlook moving forward. Other than that, be smart, good luck trading, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.